Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that's been frustrating a lot of WhatsApp users, the new Meta AI features. If you have noticed it showing up in your app and want to remove or disable it on your iPhone, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to settings from the bottom right. You will likely see the Meta AI bar either at the top of your chats or as a floating prompts. Tap on the Meta AI bar to open it. This might feel counterintuitive, but you need to access it to adjust the settings. Once it opens, look for the three-dot menu or settings option inside the Meta AI chat screen. This is where Meta may place customization or removal option depending on your region and app version. Right now, I don't have it. If there's an option to turn off or hide Meta AI, tap on that. Unfortunately, this feature isn't available for all users yet, and in some cases you might not be able to remove it entirely. If you don't see that option, you can try this workaround. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on WhatsApp, toggle off background app refresh and Siri and search for WhatsApp. This doesn't remove Meta AI, but it may reduce its activity and visibility. You can also send feedback to WhatsApp directly through the app. So go to settings, help, and go to contact us. Then let them know you want the option to remove Meta AI. And that's it. While Meta AI can be fully removed for everyone just yet, this step should help limit its presence or at least give you a way to voice your feedback.